This is Will gonna do something cool right here. Yeah!
Oh!
Yeah! Let's go, Will! Yeah, good one! Here's Will again. Let's go, Will! Oh yeah, he's getting better. Okay, here's Will. He's gonna do something cool. Oh yeah.
That was good.
Here's the awesome Will gonna do something cool. Oh yeah, come on. Weak sauce. Oh yeah. He always never lands. That's okay, Willie. You'll get it someday. Chase. Chase. Catching gnarly air. Yeah. Right now. Here's Annie.
You didn't yell at me. You didn't even go over it.
Alright, bitches. Oh yeah. She didn't even hit the jump and she still crashed. Except for the one that's like, do something crazy!
Oh yeah!
Chase, you going?
Kinda. Oh, come on. Ah.
Here's Will on his amazing jump.
Here he goes. Get some.
Faster!
Do not hit the filmer.
That was awesome.
I'm a pansy. Oh. Are you okay? Badass. Oh. Ouch. That one hurt. Mitchell. Yeah, tough guy.
Oh yeah.
Well, you gotta, like, point towards the thing.
Damn it.
Gosh, are you gonna land one someday?
Here's Barry. Oh yeah, big air. He even landed it. Watch this guy. I don't know who that guy is, but he's cool. Oh yeah, show us your moves. Here's Will. Will.
Oh.
Yeah! Oh, he hit his head. Another wreck.
I landed right like that.
Oh. Will. Yeah! Oh. Let's go, Will! Whoa there, Will.
What the hell?
What the hell?
Better luck next time, Chase. Barry is hauling. Yeah.
That wall's freaking split.
Hit it fast, Will.
Okay.
I got it. He's not gonna hit you. Whoa, baby!
Is that? Yeah. Okay. Isn't it in
It's in my team tag, yeah. There's a whole lot of it.
Good job, Will.
Finally landed one.